question. Do you manscape? Do you have a manscaping routine? Well, if you don't, and you're wondering how to manscape, what are some grooming tips, then this video is just for you. Today, as you can tell from the title, my head-to-toe grooming routine. Literally head-to-toe grooming routine. I know last year was a very interesting year. Majority of us have been at home, quarantined, but that is still not an excuse to not take care of yourself. In my opinion, I've talked about this before, taking care of yourself mentally is very important. However, taking care of yourself and really looking after yourself in terms of grooming is very important in my opinion, because that not only helps you obviously smell better and just kind of overall like externally, I don't know, feel better, but I feel like internally that boosts your confidence up. It skyrockets your confidence when you trim a little bit, I don't know, trim your nose hairs and just, clip stuff around. And it's not just for special occasions. The modern man really takes care of himself. We're all about healthy self-esteem here, nothing wrong with that. Now I'm excited because the team over at Manscaped sent over the performance package that I'm gonna unbox and share with you what's in the box, because honestly, Manscaped has really made a huge impact and improvement on my daily grooming routine. This is not the first time that I've talked about Manscaped. I'm working with them today and I've worked with them before. They really are the premium brand for manscaping. Like, they have really good products. I'm not just saying this, dedicated for men's hygiene and men's grooming. It has everything you need, has you covered from head to toe, literally, like I said, from head to toe. Your balls will thank you, right? Plus it is a new year. Why not start it off with a nice grooming, routine? I'm a big fan of their discreet packaging. Like, they have really good packaging, and I'm actually really excited to try out the Lawn Mower 3.0. It's this one here that I'm gonna start off with. I've been using their Lawn Mower 2.0 for a long time now. It's really great. Granted, I don't really have a bunch of like body hair. That's one thing, like, it's interesting. We all kind of want what we don't have, because I kind of like having, like, I wish I kind of had body hair. Now I do obviously have, hair down there, but this is great because the improvement for the 3.0 compared to the 2.0 is the new LED light, which is great because it just kind of guides you where you're shaving, and it is waterproof and it has SkinSafe technology, which helps reduce common accidents, especially in sensitive areas, and the blades are really great, and it has an improved battery life as well, which is always a huge plus. And the Lawn Mower 3.0 does come with a new charging dock, USB charging dock, which is pretty cool. It looks cool in your bathroom if that matters to you. And I will say, this is not for facial hair. I do get people asking if this is for your facial hair. It's not. This is just for your body trimmer. I wouldn't recommend it because you don't want to bring just bacteria to your face. It's kind of like you want a separate product for that. So, or a separate device for that. I'm gonna show you a quick demo actually on the back of my hand, so I'll probably trim a little bit. The LED light, the purpose of that is that it does guide you for where you're shaving, so I can actually, I don't know if you can see that, but yep, it's definitely shaving some of my hair, and maybe I should not do that, but it did shave off my hair. Another main product is the Weed Whacker, which is an electric nose and ear hair trimmer. As I said, starting from head to toe. This is great. You don't want hairs sticking out of your nose. That's who wants that? But look at this little device. Now I believe this lasts up to 90 minutes in use, and it also has that SkinSafe technology, so it won't tug at your hairs. It won't pull your nose hairs or your ear hairs. I mean, no one wants that, but it really is great for trimming the inside of your nose. Especially, I feel as you get older, it kind of like, got to take care of that stuff, Now, as I said, it's waterproof, just like the lawnmower, so you can do this on the shower. You don't want to shove this up in your nose. Nobody wants that. You just want to kind of rotate gently. When it actually stops is when you've basically trimmed all that you need to trim. So yeah, it's cool. It's a nice little device, super solid, really great. All right, moving on to another product in this box. This is the Crop Preserver. I've talked about this in another video in the past, a Manscaped video. This is anti-chafing ball deodorant. First off, I had no idea there was such thing as ball deodorant. Of course it has that thing. Okay, I forgot to take that off. It is just kind of basically like, a lotion type of, feel. Just pretend this is the ball area. You can just put it around there, and it's gentle on the skin, as I said. As you can see, it is fast absorbing. It does smell really nice. It's not too too potent, if that makes sense. It just smells really nice, and it just goes on clearly. It won't stain your clothes or get on your clothes. Now I'm gonna move on with the signature Crop Reviver. This is a ball toner. I've talked about this as well. I've tried this out. This also has that signature scent. It's mild. It smells really nice and masculine, but it's not overpowering, so it won't clash with any other colognes. This is great for a refresher. This keeps your balls cool and smelling nice, and just tones with, again, gentle for all skin. And let me just spray some on, whatever it may be. If you're going to go out on a date, perhaps just apply this down there, and just refreshes, and it's really good. Once again, I do like the names, by the way, for all these products. Oh, you can even throw this like in your car, like in the compartment. This is a pretty cool concept as well. When you do get this performance package, it does come with 2 free gifts, which I'll share in a bit, but it also comes with this magic mat. It is a disposable newspaper. We save balls. It's pretty funny actually, but you can actually use this to shave. So you want to shave, you can shave in the shower, but you can also use this. So the concept is you can use this before you get in the shower. You have the mat on the floor right next to your shower, and you stand on it and you shave. Oop. Well, you don't want to do that. Use this to shave on top of. Easy cleanup. No one likes a mess. I don't groom all of the time, but when I do, I like to have, right before I shower, I trim a little bit down there, do the nose, a little bit of the unibrow as well. I just, do the whole thing. So this is great. But as I was saying, when you get a performance package online at manscaped.com, you do get 2 free gifts with the package. So you get this travel bag right here. Really cool. You can throw all your stuff in there. Your body trimmer, the Lawn Mower 3.0, you can put on basically all of that in here. It also comes with the performance boxer briefs. I have a few of these already, just from getting Manscaped stuff. Let me actually share with you. As you can see, just great material with the Manscaped logo right there, and the back. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, I almost forgot to mention as well that you do, with the Lawn Mower 3.0, you can actually change out the blades. They have this peak hygiene plan on manscaped.com where you can basically get like a replenishment of different blades every 3 months, which is great to keep, especially if you do Manscaped quite often. You can, stay away from bacteria and having the same blade for months and months and months. So they have this really cool and great plan on manscaped.com with, different blades. So yeah, it also comes with the charger as I don't know if I showed you guys, but it has the charger, the USB dock. What else? That's basically it. I will mention some other products that I do want to talk about. They have the shears, which I already have one of these. This is the 2.0. It just has, to trim and to like pluck and stuff like that. It also has nail clippers in this shears 2.0 package. To wrap all of this up, it is important to have and establish a grooming routine. It benefits you not only mentally, but boosts your confidence as well. And I'm sure you've heard of Manscaped. They're basically everywhere. I've seen them all over social media, and it is a good brand that I honestly do recommend. I've worked with them in the past, as I've mentioned. So if you guys like what you see here, check out the link that I have down below or in the pinned comment. It is manscaped.com/Jair to get 20% off of your performance package plus 2 free gifts. Let me know if you have a grooming routine down below. What's it like? If you've tried this, let me know what you like from this brand or anything else you want to mention. Let's chat down below in the comments. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay clean, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.